Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with AVAX at number 1, followed by Tron, SHIB, DOT, Link, Bitcoin Cash, Near, Leo, and then we'll end it with Litecoin at number 20. Let's get straight into it. AVAX against BTC. Okay, so for AVAX, we're not too sure what's happening over here. Okay, what I mean by that is, okay, you can view this from two different lenses, bullish lenses or bearish lenses. Bearish lenses would mean that this is a mountain range, mountain range, mountain range. We hit lower. With bullish lenses this is a potential symmetrical triangle and we break out higher. So as it stands, we're under the skinny pink line. So we are with a bearish bias and still, yeah, we're not exactly certain. So we're going to have to take things one step at a time for AVAX BTC. But against USD, AVAX is attempting to break higher above the skinny pink line. Will we? Won't we? We had a downside target over here, 2380, which was hit previously. And now we are reversing back up. Could we take out these highs and form another higher high? Yes, sure, of course. But as it stands, you know, I don't like that we're under the skinny pink line. Right. There has to be some sort of a chart pattern for me, you know, to call more upside. Sure, if let's say we elongated AVAX's skinny pink line over here, right? We actually came under it before continuing higher. So which means that we should be looking at BTC. As long as BTC is still in a bullish trend, so potentially you could see AVAX hit higher. It's just that from a trading standpoint, yeah, it's just not there. So yeah, there you go. Tron against BTC. Here we are for Tron. Tron is under the skinny pink line against BTC, which means that we are in a bearish trend against BTC. Would be great though if we break above the skinny pink line. Right. Maybe this is a very big accumulation that's waiting for a blast off towards the moon, but as it stands, yep, nope, nothing much for us. Tron against USD, still clearly above the skinny pink line. Are we gonna get some sort of a bullish continuation chart pattern as we head higher? Will there be a new all-time high? We're not too sure. At the same time, this could also be a wave C in the making. A up B, down C, get a DE. Right. So again, we're just not entirely sure, so we have to take things one step at a time. For Tron, Shiba Inu, SHIB against USDT. Here we are for SHIB. SHIB is, yeah, it came under the skinny pink line, right? We had a target over here, which was hit. Ta-da! And now we are heading higher. Yes, no? Not too sure though. This looks to me like maybe an ABC in the making. Yeah, no, from a trading standpoint, you don't want it to go under the skinny pink line. But it was under the skinny pink line. Doesn't mean we can't go any higher though, but again, it's just not there in terms of tradability. So we'll take things one step at a time for SHIB. DOT against BTC continues to drop into irrelevance. I don't know what's happening with Polkadot. It left a bad taste in, you know, people's mouth when you learned that Polkadot paid scammers to promote, you know, the brand. So I'm like, yeah, no, that's a no for me. Anyway, from a technical standpoint, yeah, it doesn't look that good under the skinny pink line, right? We had a strong rally, but we're back down. So yeah, maybe, you know, if things start behaving bullishly, but as it stands, yeah, nope. We're gonna move on from Polkadot. Chainlink against BTC. Link against BTC again. I'm not sure what's happening over here. Hey, Sergey. Squeeze over here. Breakout. Is Chainlink gonna, you know, form new lows over here? Again, we're not entirely sure. It feels like it's curving back up though, right? But at the same time, we could also do something like this. You see, continue lower. So yeah, from a trading standpoint, we just don't see it yet. Not yet at the moment. Link against USD. Yeah, okay, looks like a falling channel, a falling wedge of sorts, right? There could be another wave lower though. Again, we're still not entirely sure. We're already under the skinny pink line, which is a no-go for us. So again, we'll preach caution when it comes to Chainlink. Sure, if we break above the skinny pink line convincingly, huge buying pressure, we continue higher, great. But as it stands, Chainlink is a no-go. Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so Bitcoin Cash is good against USD. BTC does have bullish potential as well, right? Something like this. Consolidation, accumulation, bam, we break higher. But as it stands, we're still not sure whether this is the low. The moment we take out this low is like, okay, it's just turning into something else. But for Bitcoin Cash against USD, it's much more clearer, right? Okay, you're not gonna see here. Just a weekly reminder, not a weekly, but Just a reminder that Bitcoin Cash has a huge ABCD in the making. ABCD. I feel like this is a potential wave E in the making. Once we are done with wave E, we could see a absolute bananas move coming on for Bitcoin Cash, going past 5 digits, potentially, but we still need to see the chart pattern, complete first, right? And even if you were to break the resistance, right, there's still another resistance over here, so we could still be consolidating here, right? This could be multiple months or years in the making before Bitcoin Cash continues higher. So as it stands, we are under the skinny pink line. We hit it. So could we still spend some time under it first before seeing some sort of a reversal back up? Again, we're not entirely sure. So yeah, but we just want to keep this in the back of our mind that there's a huge potential breakout coming on for Bitcoin Cash. Right, that could bring us into 5 digits, but we'll take it one step at a time. Near against BTC doesn't look that strong anymore. Although the highs are here, we are kind of halfway there. So we could still consolidate and continue higher. There's still a lot of meat over here, I would say. But from a trading standpoint, yeah, I just don't see it. We're touching the skinny pink line, which is not good. We touched it again over here. Hit here, bounce over here, head and shoulders, near drops lower. And then you see weakness against BTC. But against USD, near is still good. Why? Because near is above the skinny pink line. We did not touch it at all. It's just weakness against BTC, which means that potentially your money could do much better and go further being in BTC compared to being in near. We're still above the skinny pink line, so there could still be another rally back up, right? Maybe an inverse head and shoulders as we continue higher, right? But as it stands, we're still not entirely sure. We went very close to the skinny pink line. So the moment we cross under it, that's it. We're switching bearish for near. Unus Sed Leo against BTC. There was an attempt to break the skinny pink line, but we failed going higher. Again, you can pull a support line across. This whole thing is turning into something like a head and shoulders. Double-headed. Left shoulder, head, and then maybe a right shoulder. Bam! We zip lower. So I suspect there's still more downside for Leo against BTC. But this could be the formation and completion of a potential wave C. Down A, up B, down C, D, E. Breakout. Yes? We're not too sure. But it feels to me like everything is manipulated in Leo. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. A wave 5 is coming on. Right? Very low volume, but you know that bots are at play. So another rally is expected for Leo. Right? We went under the skinny pink line, but we went back up above it. And now we're still above it. So potentially more upside for Leo. Just a little bit more upside for a wave 5. Litecoin. Charlie. What's happening, Charlie? Litecoin is, again, dropping into irrelevance. It's just down. Yeah, it's like it's on its way out of the top 20. Right. Any signs of life? No. Could we still draw? Yeah. Where's the goal? Probably the lows over here. 0.0001. We're at 0.001. So another 90% down. So yeah, Litecoin is a no-go. It looks really horrible in terms of its charts. Again, Litecoin against USD, we still have a target over here. $32. We're still expecting $32 to be hit. The Litecoin might delay its descent until Bitcoin's trend switches bearish. So yeah, no, it's very weak. Went above the skinny pink line, came back down. Above the skinny pink line again, down. So yeah, nope. Litecoin is a big no. We're still expecting $32 to be hit eventually. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 20. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.